In this video, I am going to show you how to block someone in Monopoly Go. There is no strictly directed method to block someone on Monopoly Go since it's a relaxing game, but you can remove someone, and here's how to do it. Start by launching Monopoly Go and navigate to the main menu. From there, access the Friends section, which is where all players' interactions and connections are managed. Within the Friends section, locate and select the Leaderboard option. The leaderboard displays the list of players, including those you might want to block. Scroll through the leaderboard to find the player you wish to block. The list might be extensive, so take your time to ensure you select the correct individual. Once you've found the player in question, tap on their name to open the profile, and this action will bring up several options related to that player. Look for the selected Remove option. This action will remove the player from your friends list. While it doesn't block them in the traditional sense, it prevents them from interacting with you as a friend within the game. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.